The Queen of Pentacles sits on her richly carved throne in a fertile landscape, holding the golden pentacle with tender devotion. As water of earth, she embodies nurturing practicality, the blending of care, stability, and grounded generosity. Where the page learns and the knight labors, the queen tends, bringing warmth and steady attention to the material realm. The pentacle she cradles is the first central symbol. She holds it not as a possession, but as something living, representing home, health, work, family, and all that requires consistent care. Her embrace shows devotion, responsibility, and the understanding that abundance flourishes when tended lovingly. Her throne forms the second symbol, adorned with goats, fruit, vines, the cherubic faces. The goats, linked to Capricorn, signify resilience, steady effort, and the capacity to build over time. The fruit and vines symbolize fertility, comfort, and the sweetness produced by patient labor. The cherubs reveal her gentle guardianship, practicality guided by a warm heart. The lush garden around her provides the third symbol. Flowers bloom at her feet, and the land stretches into rolling hills, reflecting her inner abundance. Gardens flourish only through care, and this landscape mirrors the Queen's ability to create stability and beauty through daily loving attention. She embodies the harmony of natural cycles, work balanced with rest, nourishment balanced with effort. The fourth symbol is the rabbit near the bottom of the card, often overlooked but deeply meaningful. Rabbits signify fertility, instinct, sensitivity, and the fast growth that becomes possible when safety is present. The rabbit thrives at her side because she creates an environment where prosperity and creativity can unfold freely. Her robe, decorated with fruits and flowers, forms the fifth symbol. Clothing represents identity in tarot, and hers shows that she carries abundance with her. She is not separate from the natural world, she is part of it, living in alignment with earthy wisdom and the rhythms of care. Together, these symbols reveal the Queen of Pentacles as the archetype of grounded nurturing. She tends what is fragile, strengthens what is growing, and brings comfort wherever she stands. She represents stability built through consistency, care, and love expressed through practical action. In readings, she signifies support, well-being, domestic stability, financial care, or the need to reconnect with one's body and environment. She may appear as a generous, reliable figure, or as the querent's own call to nurture themselves and their world with steadiness and warmth. Her shadow warns of overgiving or self-neglect, yet her core message remains: abundance grows where love meets effort.